Click on the link below to get price. The 70 Pints Commercial Dehumidifier is a robust solution designed to tackle high humidity levels in various settings, including basements and crawl spaces. As someone who has used this unit extensively, I can confidently say it stands out in terms of performance, efficiency, and portability. First and foremost, the dehumidifier's capacity to remove up to 70 pints of moisture per day is impressive. This feature effectively addresses the needs of larger areas, making it an excellent choice for commercial spaces or homes with persistent dampness. The ENERGY STAR certification is a notable plus, as it ensures energy efficiency without sacrificing performance, ultimately leading to reduced electricity bills. One of the standout features is its portability. The built-in wheels and ergonomic handle allow for easy maneuverability, making it simple to relocate the unit to various areas that require dehumidification. This design is particularly beneficial for those with multiple problem areas in their home or business. The control panel is user-friendly, featuring clear settings and an intuitive interface. Users can easily set the desired humidity level, and the auto shutoff feature ensures that the unit stops running once the target humidity is reached. The continuous drainage option is also a game-changer, allowing for uninterrupted operation without the need for frequent emptying of the water tank. In addition to its impressive functionality, I have found the unit to operate quietly, which is essential for residential environments. This means that you can run it overnight without disturbing sleep. Overall, the 70 Pints Commercial Dehumidifier is a stellar investment for anyone struggling with excess moisture. Its combination of high capacity, energy efficiency, portability, and user-friendly features makes it a reliable solution for maintaining a healthy indoor environment. If you are in the market for a dependable dehumidifier, I highly recommend considering this model. It has certainly exceeded my expectations and has made a significant difference in my space.